I'm Jackie.
And I'm Richard.
And we are Early Retirement Wanderlust.
We've been back in the UK for 4 weeks following our European adventures, and we've spent that time exploring our new home in the Yorkshire Dales. And today, we're at Malham Cove.
For anyone that's never seen our channel before, we retired this time last year, and we've spent the last year doing up a cottage in the Yorkshire Dales, and then we've done a lot of travelling. So we've been back for the summer. We purposely wanted to be here so that we could have lots of people visiting us, and we've just had an amazing time exploring all of the local area to where we've moved.
So in the last 4 weeks, it's been really great because we've had loads of visitors up to see our new home, and it's just afforded us to have the opportunity to get out and about and explore everything that's on your doorstep that you never really knew existed.
And any opportunity when the weather's been nice, and let me tell you, at the moment there's not been many opportunities, we've just got out and about exploring. So today we've come out to Malham Cove. It's one of our favourite places. We've been a few times actually over the summer because it changes every time you come depending on the weather. We've actually climbed up to the top of Malham Cove, which we've only done once before, and it's stunning. The views from up here are, you can see for miles.
It's really, really popular, and we've never seen it like this in the summer. We normally come up here and we've got the place to ourselves, but we've been sat here probably a good half hour waiting for a break in the traffic so that we could talk to you.
Yay, we've made it. We're up at the top of Malham Cove. It is absolutely beautiful. We've been 2 or 3 times in the last few months and it's been chucking it down and really cloudy, but the view is spectacular today.
Now, we by no means are experts on this, but the limestone pavements are pretty unique in this area.
This is as close as you're getting me to the edge though. The drops are just a sheer 100 metres below me, but the views are spectacular and you can see for miles. You could almost see our little cottage over there.
You've got a snaky path all the way down to Malham Village, which at the end of the day has a couple of cracking pubs.
I'm not a lover of heights, but I do want to have a look at the view from there.
Just as a side note, Malham is really difficult to film, as seemingly most things are difficult to film for YouTube because of the wind, so we've had to find our little nooks and crannies to just get some footage in.